3D printing is a way to create a physical object directly from a digital file. Software takes a computer design and slices it into layers. These layers are instructions for the 3D printer, which builds them one at a time until what was just data becomes substance. There are many different 3D printing methods: plastic extrusion, liquid jetting, laser sintering, and even more types of 3D printed parts. Strong and durable, beautiful and smooth, even wax or metal. Some 3D printing methods serve a very specific purpose, while others are used across industries and even in homes. And this is what's amazing about 3D printing. It's not one process to create an object. It's a new way for designers, engineers, all kinds of creators to express themselves and solve problems. It's making our cars and planes faster and safer. It's empowering companies to invent new products with better quality. It's giving entertainers and fashion designers unlimited creative freedom. It's helping researchers and engineers make our lives healthier. In fact, the effects of 3D printing are already all around us. Pretty cool, huh?